So you've just added movement to your character, but your background just sits there looking flat. Or you're moving your background at the same speed as your character and it just doesn't feel right. So let's take a look at this game dev trick to fix it. So at this point you may be asking yourself, what is parallaxing? Well, parallax is a visual technique where we set our background layers to move at different speeds compared to the foreground, which creates an illusion of depth. So the further a layer is meant to be, the slower it moves. And this can let your 2D scene feel more dynamic and immersive. So how do we go about adding this effect to our game? I'll show you. I'm using GDevelop for this tutorial, but this concept should work in almost any engine, so feel free to give it a shot. Start by creating your layers. Make sure your player layer is above your backgrounds. Then add layers for each of your background elements, ordered from closest to furthest. From now on, when you place objects, you should place them on the layer depending on how fast they should move. Ones that move nearly as fast should be on your very near layer, objects that move a bit slower on the near layer, and anything that should move slowly or feel distant belongs on the far layer. You can use as many or as few layers as your game style needs. Just remember, the further the layer, the slower it should move. In your code, or in your camera behavior, you'll want to set the camera to follow your player. Then for each background layer, you'll set that camera to follow at a percentage of the player's camera movement. And here you can see I'm using 80, 60, and 30% for my 3 layers. But go ahead and tweak these values to fit your game's vibe. Play around with the speeds until it feels just right. And now you know how to use Parallax.